In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the product URL in Shopify. Knowing how to do this is incredibly useful, especially if you want to improve your SEO or simply make your product links look cleaner and more professional. So, let's dive in and go through each step together. First things first, open your web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the admin dashboard. This is your one-stop shop for managing your Shopify store. From here, look to the left-hand side, and you'll see a menu. Click on Products to access a list of all the items you currently have in your store. Once you're on the Products page, take a moment to scroll through and find the particular product for which you want to change the URL. As you do this, keep in mind that you can use the search bar at the top of the page for quicker access if your catalog is extensive. Click on the product to open its detailed information page. On this product details page, you'll see various sections containing information about your product, everything from pricing to inventory. What's important here is the URL and handle section. You might have to scroll down slightly to reach it. This section contains the current web address that customers use to find this product in your store. Next, look for the button or link that allows you to edit this URL. You'll often find it labeled as Edit or a simple pencil icon next to the URL. Click on it, and you'll see that the full URL becomes editable. Now, erase the old handle, the text that comes after products in the URL, and type in your new desired handle. Remember that a good URL handle should be short, descriptive, and include keywords relevant to the product for better search engine optimization. After you've typed your desired handle, double-check it to make sure that it's spelled correctly and is easy to remember. Once you're certain everything looks perfect, click Save or OK to confirm the changes. Remember, once saved, any old links will no longer work, so you might need to update any references you have elsewhere. Finally, to ensure everything is working smoothly, test your new URL by copying it into the address bar of your browser and hitting Enter. Navigate to the product page and make sure everything loads correctly without any errors. This step is crucial to ensure that nothing went awry while changing the URL. And there you have it. Those are all the steps you need to successfully change a product URL in Shopify. Doing this can significantly enhance the way your store appears to the outside world. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.